how to create a page in WordPress. From your dashboard, select Pages, Add New. First, you need to create a title for your page. In this case, I'm going to create a home page for my new site. Next, use the editor to add content for your page, including text, images, and any other media. Once you've added the content for your page, you can determine where this page will appear in your menu. Go to the Order section of the Page attributes. Since this is my home page, I'm going to leave it at 0, but you can customize this depending on where you want your page to appear. Once you are finished, click Publish. You can then view the page on your site to see how it looks. And there you go! That's how you would create a page.